In this video I just want to talk about the power of reading books. Most of people ask this question, what will you get by reading a book? Okay, so let me give you one example. If you read a book, now the somebody that writes the book maybe have 20 years, 30 years, or 40 years, or even 70 to 75 years of experience. And when they write the book, they write all their experience in that book. If you read that book and you get the point whatever the writer wants to share, then you are 75 or 60 years forward than that person, because the experience that he have faced, that he has learned in his life, you get all this stuff while with just reading a single book. So this is the power of books. So try to read more and more books. I have studied a lot of case studies. I have studied a lot of businesses and business owners, CEOs, and a lot of companies, and they are a good readers, they are a good writers. So this is very important. You have to read books as much as you can, because when you consume the data, then you can produce it, then you make content. If you have no assumptions of data or no assumptions of information, then it is not going to happen. Like nowadays people say we can do this with AI, we can do this with AI is going to kill. But AI has information. Okay, AI cannot make stories at their own, or they do not have emotions. Okay, if they have these all the things, but still they are just a piece of information. They are the tools that you can use to build your businesses, brands, or everything. You can use AI to build everything. If you read a book and you forget about what are the main topics, you can go to AI, add that book. And now one thing more, you get all the information using AI, but what about the journey? Okay, what about the journey? Like I am making this video, we can make this video with AI. Like I just go and paste the content and it is generated. Okay, so complete video with my face, with everything we can generate with AI. But what about the journey? Okay, so this is not a good. And if you are using AI, then you are lacking on something also. You are lacking on your creativity, you are lacking on your brain power. Okay, now people see it is very easy to use AI and we can use and we can do all the stuff, but there are a lot of other effects of AI as well. So I was talking about the books, but it another message comes to my mind and I share it with you. And you know, I am Ali and I teach a lot of about digital marketing, SEO, and business. Nowadays my topic is business and how to grow, how to start, how to scale business, because I'm reading on that, or also doing this thing, also teaching people how to start their personal brand. If you have any question in that field, you can just comment below and I will make a complete video and try to help you as much as I can. Follow for more, subscribe to my channel.